In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Surge on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as a wallet tracker, a Twitter tracker, an amazing P&L tracker. They have a reward system which basically gives you Solana back just for trading. You can also trade perpetuals. They have different options to select presets and you can set your own fees, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. So to actually use Surge on Axiom, this has now been the recent update. You want to go ahead, go to Discover, top left over here, and then you want to click on Surge over here. So Surge is going to be the second tab, and then first we must read this announcement over here. It says Surge alerts are algorithmic calls and you can use them at your own risk. Okay, so of course this is not perfect, however it is quite a nice tool to find different early and surging coins over here. Now up here you can see there's like this slider via which you can increase your threshold, so you can either click on the plus or minus button over here, or you can just click on this slider and then slide all the way to the right and then all the way to the left if you of course want to lower the threshold. Now the bigger the threshold, the more coins or tokens this is going to show you over here. Now as you can see, again, these are the early tokens and then these are the surging tokens over here. And in case you weren't able to see earlier, here's also a quick buy button. So in case you have your quick buy set over here, you can of course use the quick buy button as well to buy them quickly, and of course everything else is going to be similar as when you were using Pulse, Trending, or all of the other pages, except for in here you can of course set your threshold and then kind of try to find those surging coins on Axiom. So as they say in the feature updates, you can get algorithmically generated alerts for tokens that are hot. Okay, so this is basically the main point of this update. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.